Oh, hey guys. I think it's safe to say that Air Max 97s are my favorite sneaker. Anyone else love Air Max 97s? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite diva, Dangerous Diva. And if this is your first time here, click subscribe. I just want to be your favorite diva. If you saw my last video, I did a good Michael Kors haul with about 6 different bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bags. I needed something cute and sporty, and I got some luxury sporty handbags and backpacks to match. Let's get into the sneakers. I got 2 pair that actually don't go with any handbags right here. Okay, so I needed some all-white sneakers. And these Air Max 97s, these are the most comfortable shoes that I own. Oh my God, once I got a taste of these shoes, I wanted them like in every color. So I purchased about 4 or 5 different colors of these Air Max. And while I was shoe shopping at the shoe store, they had run out of my size 8, so I ended up getting a 6 use in the Air Max 97s. I am new to wearing sneakers, so you guys shed some light. Does this mean they were made in 1997 and they're the throwbacks? I don't know. I gotta ask hubby about that one, because he pretty much bought like one of my first pair of sneakers. I only had sneakers for gym sneakers. That's about it. I call them tennis shoes, and it's not really tennis shoes. I guess he said they're basketball shoes and all kinds of shoes. So I call them sneakers now. So yeah, these I love. They will go with this backpack, of course, the black and white tone, 2-tone. And then I got this color, which is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the sparkles within. It's like a silver. Oh my God, these are so cute. I love, love, love these shoes. Okay guys, so I'm back. With this shoe, it matches my battery cutoff. So this shoe is perfect for the backpack in nude from Michael Kors. I just love the silver embellishment on this sneaker. Super duper cute. Look at this. It's like the perfect color for the eggplant backpack. Yes, isn't that perfect? I'll bring it closer so you guys can see it. But I mean, when I say perfect, I mean super duper perfect. I love this shoe and I love this backpack. So again, super comfortable shoe if you're looking for sneakers. This shoe is amazingly comfortable, and I just love it. Oh my God, look at this shoe. It goes perfect with the black and white leather Michael Kors backpack. Let me show you. Isn't this perfect? This is like a match made in heaven. These two are soulmates. I'm so happy that I found these two and they can be together happily ever after. Look at that, guys. I just love, love, love this combo. These Air Max 97s are my favorite shoe. They're super comfy and super stylish, and they go with this backpack perfectly. I also found out that I like this other sneaker. It's not an Air Max 97, but it's called Nike. Oh, it is a Nike Air Max 97. Don't ask me. I'm just getting into sneakers. But it's different. Look at this shoe. So I got 2 white ones. I got one plain white, and then I got this white one with all the different colors. Oh my gosh. I just love, love, love this shoe. So this will look really good with like different pastel colors, and then when you reflect it, it's different colors, like a yellow, orange, and then blue, purple. I mean, I love, love, love this shoe. Let me try on a couple pairs so you can see how they look on a diva. Is that all my shoes? Now this one, I'm sorry, there was one more. This is a different nude color. This nude is beautiful, but I have a Nike hoodie, not a hoodie, but a sweatshirt to match this. It's like a peachy nude. know if you can see it with the light right here, but see that? It's like a really peachy nude. I've worn them a couple times. And I love this shoe. It looks good on. So let me try on a couple for you. So these are absolutely my favorite sneakers. They're super duper comfy. If you try them on, your foot feels like it's on a cloud. I mean, you just like, as a diva, you know, I like to wear heels and I wear stilettos. I wear 5-inch heels, 6-inch heels. And when I put on sneakers, oh my God. I mean, these just feel like super duper comfortable. So thanks again for watching this video. That's all for today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to a Diva and let me know you were here. Leave a comment below because I comment to everyone. I talk to everyone that stops by and gives feedback. You can let me know what you'd like to see from a Diva in the future, and let me know your favorite pair of sneakers. For me right now, the Air Max 97, they're doing it for me. They're comfy and they're stylish. So again, that's all. Don't forget, spread love. I'm Dangerous Diva, your favorite diva, hopefully. And I'll see you in the next video. Spread love.